Have you been wanting to lighten your raw hair extensions from a natural 1B to a brown shade? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this using the hot water bleach method. Extensions from a natural 1B shade to a warm brown. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this quickly using the hot water bleach method. I love this method so much because it gives you that warm brown shade and keeps your hair extensions looking smooth and healthy. The extensions I'll be using is from my raw hair collection. It is 3 24-inch LHS Rich Wavy Curl bundles and a 20-inch frontal that I constructed into a frontal wig. So these are all the supplies that you'll need. Quick Blue Bleach, extra strength. 40 volume developer, nitrile gloves, foil paper, a heat safe large bowl, a kettle with hot water or just hot water from a pot is fine, and a dye brush. So off camera, I already boiled hot water. I filled it to 1.7 liters. Then you're gonna add hot water to the heat safe bowl. Just make sure that it's enough hot water to fully submerge your hair extensions. I like to use very hot water because it activates the bleach a lot faster, which will give you the perfect lift you're looking for in just minutes. Next, you're going to add the 40 volume developer and the bleach powder. Measure out the bleach powder and developer to a 1-to-1 ratio. Using a brush and also, of course, wearing your gloves, you're going to stir them together until the mixture is fully combined and smooth. You want the bleach to evenly be mixed because you don't want to create any patches or uneven color to your hair extensions. Here's a tip: if you're dyeing your bundles, wigs, tape-ins, whatever extensions you're dyeing right now, make sure that your extensions are dry, clean, and tangle free before putting them into the bleach mixture. So now you're going to fully submerge your extensions into the bleach bath. Then you're going to put a sheet of foil paper over the container, and I'm extra, so I put the lid on top of that as well. Then set the timer for 10 minutes. You're still going to want to check your extensions every couple minutes. Keep a close eye on your hair while it's in the bleach bath because hot water speeds up the process. So the longer you leave your hair extensions in the bleach water, the lighter they will become, so make sure you watch closely. While checking my extensions, I also like to use a brush to make sure every strand is coated. Once your extensions reach your desired brown shade, it's time to remove them from the bleach bath and rinse with cold water. Rinse your hair extensions until the water runs clear, removing any leftover bleach residue. So the bleach will leave your hair extensions feeling slightly dry, especially since this is raw hair, so immediately follow up with a deep conditioner. This helps to restore the moisture and keep the extensions soft and smooth. I like to keep the conditioner on for about 10 to 15 minutes. After conditioning, rinse out the conditioner with cool water to lock in the moisture and seal the cuticles. Then for the best results, lay your extensions flat on a towel to air dry. This will help to retain the natural wave or curl pattern that your hair extensions may have. And here you have it, a stunning warm brown transformation for your hair extensions, achieved quickly and effectively with the hot water bleach method. This process is perfect for anyone who wants a warm, natural looking brown without damaging their hair extensions. Okay babes, so if you found this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments. Are you going to try this method on your hair extensions at home? Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification button if you're interested in more hair videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.